If you work in an office, the chances are you work with a Windows machine, unless you're one of those dastardly Mac users like I am. But did you know you could save yourself plenty of time and effort by learning some super handy keyboard shortcuts? Hi everyone, I'm Craig from SwiftCase, the professional productivity platform, and I'm here to boost your productivity by teaching you 10 vital Windows 10 shortcuts. Number 1, quickly open Windows Explorer. So do you need quick access to your documents, photos, etc.? Rather than clicking any links or going into My Computer, just hold Windows and E and that'll open the window for you. Number 2, peek at desktop. Sometimes you just want to see what's on your desktop really quickly rather than having to minimize all your windows. Really easy to do this. Windows and comma, that'll show you your desktop. Number 3, one of my favorites, paste and match style. Now, we all know Control and V, but you ever copy content and it's maybe got some styling to it, maybe it's got some formatting that you don't want to paste into another document? Control, Shift and V, it'll take out all that unwanted formatting for you. No more inconsistencies in the content, tidy. Number 4 is minimizing. Windows and M will minimize your windows, whereas Windows M and Shift will bring them back. Great way to clear the clutter without needing to close your apps and saves you clicking around. Number 5 is snap to screen. So if you're working on multiple windows, which I'm terrible for that, Windows 10 provides a brand new snapping feature. Simply hold Windows and then one of the arrow keys and it will snap to that side of the screen. You can also make windows snap together as well. So if you've got maybe 4 windows open at the same time, maybe you could have one that's dedicated to one half of the screen and 3 others on the other side. Really cool for multitasking. Number 6 is switch apps. This is a classic keyboard shortcut, tried and true productivity king. Alt and Tab. Easily cycle between all your different apps that you've got open at the moment. Much better than going along the old dock at the bottom. Thank you, old friend. Number 7 is close window. Another classic, Alt and F4. Closes the app that you're on at the moment, rather than having to go up to the top right of the screen and press the little red X. Number 8 is quickly select address bar. So don't bother, moving your mouse about. Minimum mouse movement is always a lot better, I think. Alt and D will select the address bar on your browser, which means that you can easily type in the next website that you want to go to. Number 9 is delete items without moving them to the recycling bin. I was always guilty of this, of just deleting files, and then I always forget, and then maybe I've taken up a load of storage and I've got a ton of things to go through to make sure I want to permanently delete them. If you know that you want to get rid of it for good, Shift and delete will get rid of them. And finally, number 10 is select multiple files. If you don't know this shortcut, I don't know how you've lived without it. It can be incredibly frustrating to manage large folders and files. Mouse click and Shift will allow you to select a group of files. And if you want to select individual files after that, hold Control and then simply click around. And that'll allow you to select them as well. Really good for grouping together files that maybe you want to delete or move to a different folder. So use these 10 super handy and easy to remember keyboard shortcuts to increase your efficiency when it comes to using Windows 10. Do you have any of your own favorite keyboard shortcuts that I haven't listed? Let us know in the comments underneath. Once again, I've been Craig McCarthy, Development Manager at SwiftCase, the professional productivity platform. Have a great rest of the day.